Hey everyone, I'm Gabi. In today's videos, we are going to talk about Barcelona City Cards. These cards are super popular in many cities, but you don't hear as much about them when it comes to Barcelona. So I thought, let's go through them together. What they are, how much they cost, what they include, and whether they actually save you money or are just like tourist traps. Before we start, if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I have lots more Barcelona tips coming that I hope will help you plan your next trip. We will be looking at the following cards: the Barcelona Card, Barcelona Card Express, Hola Barcelona Travel Card, Barcelona Family Card, Barcelona Card Modernista, Articket Barcelona, and finally the Barcelona City Pass. I heard of some of these before, but I had to do some research on others. Surprisingly, when you are planning a trip to Barcelona, they aren't really advertised, even though there are some great options among them. Let's start with the Barcelona card. This is the official city card issued by the tourism office, so it's completely reliable. Price starts at 49.50 euros for 3 days, and you can get it either in digital or physical form. The link is in the description below. It's available for 3, 4, or 5 days, and it includes unlimited public transport in Zone 1, metro, bus, tram, commuter trains, and even airport transport, such as L9 metro or the R2 train. Important that our bus is not included because it's a private service. You also get free entry to more than 25 museums, such as Montjuic Castle, the Picasso Museum, the Moco Museum, and the Chocolate Museum, plus discounts at around 40 other sites, including favorites like Casa Batlló. If you were to buy a 3-day transport ticket separately, that would already cost around 20 to 25 euros, so if you visit even 2 or 3 museums, this card easily pays off. Keep in mind that the card is valid for consecutive days, so if you activate it on Monday, you will need to use it on Tuesday and Wednesdays as well. You can't take a break in between the days. Next, the Barcelona Family Card. It costs 110 euros for 3 days and comes in both adult and child versions. It includes public transport and free entry to places like Tibidabo Amusement Park, the Zoo, or the Cosmos Kaisa Museum. It's definitely worth it if you plan to do at least 3 family-friendly activities. Then there's the Barcelona Card Express. Valid for 48 hours, starting at 27 euros. The main difference is that there's no free museum entry, only discounts. But it does include public transport, so if you are visiting for a short stay and want to fit in as much as possible, this can be a handy choice. The Hola Barcelona Travel Card focuses only on transportation. It comes in 48, 72, 96, and 120-hour version, and it gives you unlimited travel on metro, bus, tram, and commuter trains, including airport transport, but again, not the Eurobus. If all you need is unlimited public transport and you are not visiting museums, this is the best value option. I also have a separate video about it. I have linked it for you here. The Barcelona Card Modernista is perfect for fans of Catalan modernism and Gaudi's architecture. It includes entry to Casa Batlló, La Pedrera, Palau de la Música Catalana, and Casa Vicens, plus public transport. It's available for 3, 4, or 5 days, starting at 130 euros. It's not cheap, but if you are really into architecture, it's absolutely worth it. Next up, the Articket Barcelona, made for art lovers. It costs 38 euros and it's valid for 12 months. It gives you free skip the line access to 6 major museums. Kids under 16 get free entry if accompanied by an adult with the Articket card. The Barcelona City Pass is best for those who value convenience and want to book everything in one go. It's not really about saving money. So as you can see, Barcelona offers a wide variety of city cards. Here's who I would recommend each for. Only transport, Hola Barcelona Travel Card. If you want a bit of everything, Barcelona Card, short weekend trip, Barcelona Card Express, with family and lots of attractions, Family Card, architecture lovers, Modernista Card, and Articket Barcelona. The City Pass is more about convenience than saving money, so I wouldn't really recommend it for everyone. There are plenty of city cards to choose from depending on how long you will be staying, what activities you are planning, and how much you want to save. The main thing is to consider your schedule and preferences, then pick the option that fits your trip the best. That way, you will save both time and money. Now you hopefully know which city card will work best for your trip to Barcelona, so all that left is to enjoy this beautiful city. Thanks so much for watching. Please like the video if you found it helpful and see you in the next one. Bye!